Struggling to work efficiently in a cramped workshop? The wrong power tools can make tight spaces feel even more overwhelming. Let's start with the top 5 compact and versatile tools that help you make the most of your limited workspace and work with precision. DEWALT Right Angle Drill. When working in a small space, having the right tools can make all the difference. The DEWALT DCD 740C1 Right Angle Drill is a perfect example of a compact, powerful tool that excels in tight spaces where larger drills just can't reach. This is a battery-powered right-angle drill designed with accessibility and efficiency in mind. It boasts a compact front-to-back length of just 4 inches, allowing users to maneuver easily in confined areas. Its 3/8-inch ratcheting chuck, coupled with a deep hex pocket, ensures that 2-inch hex bits fit securely for precision drilling and driving in narrow spots. What truly sets this drill apart is its dual-speed transmission, providing the versatility needed for a variety of tasks, from simple screwdriving to heavy-duty drilling. Whether you're working on a delicate project or a more demanding one, this drill can handle it. The multi-grip trigger also offers enhanced control, making it comfortable to use in tight corners while maintaining access to the tool's full power. For those who frequently work in dimly lit spaces, the built-in LED work light is a welcome feature, illuminating your workspace and ensuring accurate results every time. Weighing only 3.8 pounds, this drill is light enough for prolonged use without causing fatigue, yet it's robust enough to tackle the toughest tasks. If you're looking for a compact drill that doesn't sacrifice performance, this DEWALT Right Angle Drill should be at the top of your list for small spaces. FLEX 24-volt circular saw. The Flex 24-volt cordless inline circular saw kit is a standout option for those needing power and precision in tight workspaces. This saw is built to maximize efficiency with a design that's not just compact, but highly functional. First, let's talk about the performance. The Flex saw uses a sensor-free brushless motor that eliminates friction, giving you more power with less effort. You get a cutting depth of 2 to 9/16 inches, allowing you to slice through 3x lumber with ease, all in one pass. Whether you're working on a small project or need to tackle tougher materials, this saw won't let you down. The unique inline design provides better balance and visibility, making it easier to maneuver in cramped spaces. You'll appreciate the LED light, which ensures you can see clearly even in dark corners. Plus, the 5.0 amp-hour battery gives you exceptional runtime, allowing you to make up to 430 cuts in 2x4 lumber on a single charge. With a fast 160-watt charger, you won't be left waiting long to get back to work. This tool is part of the Flex 24-volt system, meaning you can mix and match batteries and chargers across different tools. All in all, the Flex 24-volt circular saw is a must-have for those needing both power and precision in tight spaces. RIDGID brushless multi-tool. The RIDGID 18-volt brushless oscillating multi-tool is a fantastic option for those looking to tackle precise tasks without compromising on power. This tool is a game changer with its brushless motor, providing up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, ensuring you get through various materials with ease. Whether you're cutting through wood, PVC, or metal, this multi-tool delivers consistent results. Plus, the variable speed trigger gives you total control, adjusting power to suit your task. Its design is optimized for comfort, with a slim handle that makes it easy to maneuver in cramped areas. The tool-free accessory changes make life even easier. No need to waste time fiddling with tools. The compact size and ergonomic grip ensure you won't feel fatigued during long work sessions. Another standout feature is the 3 speed modes, allowing you to match the tool's speed to the job at hand. Whether you're working on intricate cuts or tackling larger materials, this multi-tool adapts to your needs. Although the RIDGID 18-volt system isn't as vast as some premium brands, it's steadily growing. It's also fully compatible with all RIDGID 18-volt batteries, which means it's a solid choice if you're already invested in the RIDGID system. With a lifetime service agreement and excellent performance at a reasonable price, the RIDGID 18-volt brushless oscillating multi-tool is an essential tool for anyone working in small, hard-to-reach spaces. DEWALT 20-volt brushless JIGSAW. If you're looking for a reliable tool that performs well in tight spaces, the DEWALT 20-volt Max XR JIGSAW could be just what you need. This compact and powerful tool offers everything you need to make precise cuts in a variety of materials, all while maintaining a high level of performance. One of the standout features of this saw is its brushless motor, which provides efficient power, ensuring that you can complete your projects without the need for constant recharges. It delivers up to 3,200 strokes per minute, making it ideal for both light and heavy-duty tasks. Additionally, the variable speed trigger and dial give you total control over your cuts, allowing you to adjust the speed according to the material you're working with. For added convenience, this jigsaw features an integrated LED light that ensures you have a clear view of your work, even in dimly lit spaces. The tool-free, all-metal lever action blade change system makes swapping out blades quick and simple. Plus, with the 4-position orbital action, you can customize the cut quality and speed for a variety of applications. If you've used jigsaws in the past, you know how important ergonomics are, and DEWALT has delivered a compact, comfortable design that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Plus, the dust blower keeps your cutting line clear, helping to keep your work area neat and safe. For anyone looking for precision, power, and ease of use, the DEWALT DCS334B is a solid investment for small space projects. MILWAUKEE M18 Impact Driver. The MILWAUKEE M18 Fuel Surge Hydraulic Driver Kit is a powerful, compact option that combines efficiency and ease of use, making it perfect for smaller areas. Despite its quiet operation, thanks to hydraulic drive technology, the Surge packs a punch with 450 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 3,000 RPM. This gives you the ability to tackle tough jobs quickly, while the reduced noise ensures you won't disturb the environment. Whether you're working indoors or in a crowded workshop, the quieter impact is a real plus. The Surge is incredibly easy to handle, weighing in at just 2.3 pounds, making it ideal for working in cramped spaces where maneuverability is key. The one-handed chuck is a breeze to use, so you can focus on the task at hand without fumbling with the tool. Battery life and charging are on point too. It comes with two 2.0 amp-hour batteries, ensuring you have power for extended sessions. Plus, the quick charge means you're back in action fast, with no downtime. The 5-year limited warranty adds extra peace of mind, and the inclusion of a hard case for storage ensures your tools stay organized and protected. In short, the MILWAUKEE M18 Surge is the ideal tool for those who need power, quiet operation, and maneuverability in tight spaces. Its combination of features makes it a standout choice for any toolkit. These top 5 compact power tools offer the perfect balance of performance, precision, and maneuverability for small spaces, ensuring you can tackle any project with ease and efficiency.